Former Senator Bong Revilla surrendered to authorities at the headquarters of the Philippine National Police in Camp Crame after the Sandigan Bayan ordered his arrest over alleged irregularities tied to flood control projects. In a video posted on Facebook, Revilla said he had been informed that a warrant for his arrest had been issued.
Nakakalungkot po, parang wala yatang due process. Pero ganun pa man, haharapin ko to ng walang takot.
Oh my gosh.
At
Thank you.
alam kong hindi ako papabayaan ng Diyos dahil wala po akong kasalanan dito.
Revilla is facing charges of malversation of public funds over the flood control scam.
Hilingin ko lang, hingi ako ng panalangin at patatagin niyo rin po ang aking pamilya. Hindi ko po may paliwanag kung ano nararamdaman ko sa totoo lang. Napakasakit po para sa akin at para sa aking pamilya.
Former DPWH USEC Roberto Bernardo had accused Revilla of receiving kickbacks from ghost or non-existent flood control projects.